What's up? Of you scratching your butt. It's over here around the wood stove in the shab, and yeah, hey, say hi, wife. Hi, wife. Yeah. Uh, Holy fuck, it's like a blizzard. Hey, you wanna go over and open the door? You know I gotta be tethered to this stupid fucking phone because this battery's stupid. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's not so bad. That's not so bad. Not like what we came home to. Open up the cupboards, air those out. Ice maker's airing out. Got the, yep. Got a shovel inside. Come on. Come on. Focus. Focus. Whatever. Anyways, got a shovel inside. So we can get out. A little blizzard up here. We're over here. Enjoying the wood stove ski. Whew. Even the windows were a little frosty. Actually, that's snow on the outside. Hey, we still got our fly tape up here. Yeah, you can't see through the windows. There's so much fucking snow going all over the place. There's a fucking blizzard out there, man. You see the GoPro is coming up soon after the New Year. Merry Christmas, everybody.